Welcome, friends. In this lesson, we will learn about the pattern of this sample question paper released by CBSE. It's 24-25. The exam is very soon. So if I come to this place, the paper contains total 38 questions here, 38 questions, and it has section A of 20 questions, and out of which 18 plus 2, totally 1 marks questions. These are all 1 mark questions. And section B, you can see that this is section B, contains very short answer questions. These are multiple choice questions, and these are very short answer questions. It has very short answer questions 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 5 questions are available. And section C, it has 6 questions available. Now, let me put a tick mark here. So this is section B, section C, section D, and section E. So this is of each of 2 marks question, and this is each of 3 marks question. And section D contains long answer questions. It is 5 marks questions, and it has 32, 33, 34. There are 3 questions here. There are 3 questions here. So 20, 25, 31, 31 plus 3, 31 plus 3 is coming to what? 34. And am I making it right? Let us look at 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. This is 5 questions. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 6 questions. And this is 32, 33, 34, 35. So this is 4 questions actually. Section D has 4 questions. So this is each of 5 marks. Section E is a case study based. It has 3 questions. So total questions are 38. And this section D is totally of each 4 marks. So each of 4 marks. So this is the pattern or division of the paper. Now, internal choice is available. Here in section B is available for 2 questions. Section C available for 2 questions. And section D available for 2. In 2 questions, you find choice. And in section E, which is case study based, that is 35, sorry, what is the number there? 36. Yeah, so it is 36th question. And this is 36th question. Suppose in this again 1 mark, 1 mark, and 2 marks question will be there. This in this 2 marks you will have internal choice. Similarly, 37th question you have 1 mark, and 2 marks. In this 2 marks again you have internal choice, either this or that. You take 38th question, again this is 1 mark, 1 mark, and 2 marks question. In 2 marks question you have either this or this, either this or this, either this or this. Beautiful. So we now came to know the pattern of the internal choice. Next, what are the important instructions to the students? See, when you, in many cases, suppose say geometry, triangles, circles, straight lines, many things, you have to draw neat and clean figures because it appeals, it looks that you are well prepared. And pi value, of course, this pi value, we know what is pi value, unless otherwise it is stated, you consider it to be as a 22/7. That is as per the sample question paper they have given you. Use of calculators, of course, this is actually, it is not allowed in the exam. See, for the better performance, one has to do what? See, a well prepared student, suppose if I say a well prepared student, first of all, he understands how many questions are given, how many marks are assigned to each question, where are the internal choice are there, and of course, content wise also we should be ready. But first of all, this is a prime preparation. If you do this properly, 90% of your paper can be easily attempted. Now attempt MCQs first to build confidence. Okay, slowly. Suppose say in answer paper, let me take one more slide here. Suppose say in answer paper, let me remove this. This is removed and this is removed. Yeah, in answer paper, you start your answers after putting it. So I say this is question one. So there is a margin, right? Follow the instructions carefully. Where do you write this question number? Either inside the margin or outside the margin. So you attempt like this. First of all, write question one. Check whether you know it or not. If you don't know, don't touch it. Now go to the question number two. If you know, solve the question. Okay. This is one mark question. It doesn't require too many steps. And question three, if you don't know, leave it. And question four, if you know, answer it. Like that you do. Because if you are stuck in a question where you are confused or where you are not certain or where you are uncertain about the answer, don't touch it first. Like line wise or in a serial order, put question numbers and leave empty wherever possible. Of course, thank you and best wishes for your exams. This is something you are hardship. You are earning your potential. When you are preparing good, you will appear good, you will attempt the questions with confidence. So what is the suggestion is keep practicing, stay positive, give your best effort. It's a very important instruction when you actually write or appear in any sort of exam. Suppose say I start attempting a question. Suppose say question one solution. We generally write like this, or answer one solution, something like this, right? And then we start taking tan theta is equal to 3 by 4 and psi instead of writing tan I have time. So immediately we end up in putting scratches like this. Don't do this. When you do that, keep a box, slowly cancel it like this. Don't scratch in a way which looks awkward. If you are writing like this, keep a box like this and then small cancellation and then go ahead. So this is a short video. One has to know about the pattern of the exam. I have approached or I have taken reference as the sample question paper, which is very important. In the next video, we will see uh, in the sample question paper, what are the different sections or the chapters which were actually what you call assigned, given significant importance, where that question comes. Okay, see